Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll walk you through the setup process for the PIERRE Wave Gas Detector. To begin, we open the display interface and navigate to the menu. From there, we select Settings, tap Add Wave I/O, and then choose Find Devices. Next, we plug the gas detector into a power outlet. Upon insertion, the device beeps and starts flashing, indicating that it's powering on. On the top of the detector, there is a small hole labeled Reset. Using a SIM pin or a similar pointed tool, we press and hold this button to activate pairing mode. The device beeps again and begins flashing rapidly, confirming it's ready to pair. We now check the display to see if the device has been discovered. Within seconds, the system detects the PIERRE gas sensor. We select Add Found Device, assign a name if we wish, or leave the default, then tap Save and Continue followed by Finish. The PIERRE gas detector now appears on the display interface, ready for use. Once it detects smoke or gas, a small green indicator light will begin to blink. For testing purposes, we can simulate gas detection by pressing the button located on the device. When the button is pressed, the display responds, the green dot begins to flash, and the system triggers an alert. And that's it. The PIERRE plug-in gas detector is now fully set up and operational. Thanks for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.